Welcome back to Laker Real Estate Services Single-Family Real Estate Investor Due Diligence Checklist. This is the final chapter in the Single-Family Real Estate Due Diligence series. In the next chapters, we'll examine further due diligence required for small multifamily properties. Chapter 7: Conduct appraisal and obtain a good faith estimate of expenses. Investors will want to review the good faith estimate of expenses, which must be provided by the lender within 3 days of applying for a loan. This estimate will include the total costs of financing and include the April rate. Investors need to review this information to ensure they understand all the closing costs. This also allows the investors to go shopping among other lenders who might have a lower April. An appraisal, like an inspection, is conducted by a qualified third party. All states require real estate appraisers to be licensed or certified, unlike home inspectors. The appraiser is paid for by the buyer but hired by the lender. This is because the lender is the client of the appraiser. Buyers are provided a copy of the report. The objective is to obtain the fair market value of the property, which is the most probable price the investment property would bring in the current real estate investment market in a fair sale. The buyer wants the property to appraise at or above the sale value to ensure the lender's condition of value has been met. If the appraisal comes in below the sale value, then the purchase agreement could be cancelled. The buyer could cover the difference with cash, or the appraisal could be appealed. Once the appraisal is completed, the loan can go to underwriting, where the lender may place additional conditions upon the buyer for loan approval. That concludes Chapter 7. Be sure to tune back in for Chapter 8, Obtain all financial information. Chapter 8 is the first section of the Small Multifamily Real Estate Investor Due Diligence series. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Are you looking for an experienced realtor to help you with your real estate buying or selling needs in or around the Twin Cities metro area, suburbs? Be sure to contact us. We believe if we treat every client like our only client, we will forge lasting business relationships. Our success is based on your success, and we want to see you succeed in all your real estate ventures. We look forward to hearing from you and earning your business. LakerRealEstate.com 763-645-4617